this time along the A-axis. As he comes out for the second half again, you'll get great blade slap with the airflow going through both rotors. The team are now going to reposition with a wing over and going to be running back in for a nose down 270 quick stop. This quick stop is often used in Afghanistan by most of the aircraft captains for a late spot of troops for either pickup or medical evacuation. During these medical evacuations or deliberate operation missions, we're accompanied by the Apache, who you've already seen earlier on the display. He now demonstrates how to stop the aircraft in such a short period of time. The ramp is down and Sergeant Andy Caldwell is out the back, waving to the crowd. This is your opportunity for great photographs, and please show your appreciation by waving back. The aircraft has 3 hooks underneath, only showing 2 today. That can carry up to approximately 10.5 metric tons underneath. The Chinook is the only helicopter that can possibly carry its own weight underneath. We can carry 3 separate loads and also a cabin full of troops. The aircraft today is approximately 13.5 tons. The aircraft's max capacity is 24 tons, so again, extremely light. As he positions his crowd right, Charlie's now going to demonstrate the Gordy climb. This was named after a base in Bosnia where the Chinook demonstrates its excess power compared to other helicopters in theatre. Once he gets to the top of this climb, he's going to stick the nose down, pick a point on the earth and do a 720 corkscrew descent just below 1,000 feet. Charlie's going to continue pulling in his power and he's going to conduct the seesaw. This is similar to a fixed wing manoeuvre, posing the 2 pedals to cause a stall turn. Most of these manoeuvres are not used on operations. However, we'd just like to show the manoeuvrability of the Boeing Chinook. He's now going to reposition for a nose over 180 into a running landing. The running landing is often used for power loss or engine failures where you've got an available grass strip or runway. Because the aircraft is tandem rotor, the aircraft can run at a reasonable speed, approximately 70 knots. This means that you can land the Chinook just like a fixed wing.
Yeah. very much for this. That's all. Sorry the sun might have gone in one place a bit. Well,
the aircraft's going to run on approximately 60 knots, touch down at Crown Centre. Once the wheels touch down, it's going to raise the nose and slow it down using the power in the collective. Charlie's now going to raise the nose to its maximum angle of bank and he's going to start to move the aircraft backwards. The pilots can't see where we're going, but out the right door you can see Sergeant Andy Colwell talking them on. Ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be a bow from the team. Say hello when you see us around and give a big cheer and wave for the 2014 Chinook display team. Charlie Department, just like to say a big thank you. It's been a pleasure to display for you all here today, sir.
Well, I think it's been very much our pleasure. Thank you very much, Flight Lieutenant Chris Gordon. Always incredibly popular, and well done you, receiving many accolades as always. The Chinook display being one of the most popular, I have to say, on the UK air display circuit.
Yeah, it's great for us because the aircraft's completely different from any other displays. It's amazing to wow the crowds.
Yeah, absolutely superb. And what about you? Have you finished the tours, or are you off back to Afghanistan before?
No, I'm at the moment I'm due to go back to Afghanistan in late December.
Okay, well there we go. That's what they do all the day. All part of this irreducible spare capacity thing. That's what the guys are doing Monday to Friday. Then what's next?
What's next, George, is the Tucano, which will be followed by the Swiss Super Puma and then the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight Dakota.